so I just finished preserving some spaghetti sauce, and it made me realize that I have something to share with you for a better spaghetti sauce. A little tip that I learned from my husband actually is when you're making your spaghetti sauce and you're simmering it down, take a chicken thigh with the bone in it and just put it into your sauce and simmer it with your sauce. After your sauce is ready, you take the thigh out and make sure you fish out that bone, because it might detach from the thigh, so you have to fish around for that bone because you don't want to leave that in the spaghetti sauce. But find the thigh bone and take it out, and I just chop up the chicken really, into little squares and put it back into the spaghetti sauce. But there's something about a chicken thigh, just the taste of chicken in a spaghetti sauce, it just bumps it up a notch. It just makes that spaghetti sauce taste yum, yum, over the top. So one of my favorite things, a little tip for better spaghetti sauce. And you have a great day.